Yes, please.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Benidorm. Today is a hot one, as it's almost 27 degrees. In this video we'll go and explore all the bars over here along the Levante Beach before we head down towards the strip, where it's even busier today. And what is a better one than to start with the most busiest one here currently, the Tiki Beach. And those bars isn't the only place where it's busy today. The beach is very popular as well. And the boulevard itself. Also, loads of people over here on the move today. Enjoying the beautiful weather. And beautiful. It is quite cloudy, unfortunately, today. But with 27 degrees, it is nice out here today. They do got the yellow flag out today, but there's hardly any wind. Must be a strong current or anything. But there are quite a few people in the ocean right now, as water temperature is slowly rising. And we have made it to the next few bars. Starting with the Daytona. And even the streets just after Levante Beach are busy over here. You can see plenty of people there in the distance. Right now, let's first head on towards the strip and see how the crowds are doing over there. While we're heading towards the strip, please don't forget to give this video a like if you like what you see. Don't forget to subscribe for more Benidorm content. And we're almost there. The Rockstar. First few have rounded Flamingo already. And Rovers next door is busy as well. As always, Andy is one of the more busy bars around here in Benidorm. Very friendly atmosphere, and that comes out in always a huge crowd. Tiki City, as well popular. The strip itself, not that alive currently. This one comes alive at the evening. The bars on the left side, like Rockefeller's and Rock, will open later tonight. Same goes for Insomnia, but you can do a drink already over there if you want to. Just a few people in over there at the Crown. Not busy at all. Same goes for Hotel California, as that is strange, as this one is usually one of the more packed ones. Western Saloon's up next. Few more people in, but busy season over here? Not yet, but this will be definitely different later tonight.
These people here are all the best.
Got the Waikiki. This one is busy. Morgan's is opening later today, but something that is open are the Flash Hotel. Lots of people getting a tan out here and enjoying the live music as well. And before we head back towards the beach, let's have one last look at busy Uncle Pat's back there. First stop, Riviera. Few people in, but there is live entertainment. One of those places where also plenty of people hanging out today is the pool, like this one from Rosamar. Here we have the Riviera bar. Few people on here, but it is quite hot out here in the sun. And the final one before we head back. Uncle Pat's. A busy place over here. And back to Levante again. We continue where we stopped here at Cool Bar. Still loads of people are enjoying drinks. And over here, got an even busier bar. The Tiki Town completely packed today. And this brings us towards the most crowded part over here on the Levante Beach. This very small piece is always extremely popular, as you can see. Huge amount of people. And that is where I'll end today's video with. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give it a like if you liked what you saw. And don't forget to do subscribe for more. And I hope to see you next time. Have a wonderful day.